Hey!
Hey, welcome back, my lovely people, to another YouTube video.
Alright. So what you making, Mom?
I'm just gonna do something simple. I will be making some peanut punch.
Alright, nice. So tell me, what are the ingredients?
Well, the ingredients here are, I have a cup of raw peanut. I have half a cup of oatmeal here. And then I have some almond milk. I have milk, regular condensed milk, vanilla, malta. I'll be putting a banana in there. And I have nutmeg and cinnamon.
Nice.
Real simple.
Nice.
Okay, so let's get started. So here I'm going to put my peanuts in my blender.
Oh, guys, and to tell you the truth, she peeled them. But she'll show you. So you see, like, guys, yeah, you just crack it. And then you peel it. And then there you go. She didn't roast them or anything.
Alright, so I'm going to pour in my oatmeal. And
yeah, the oatmeal, she soaked it overnight. And it was a half a cup. But because she added the water, it swelled up. And it ended up being like a cup of oats.
So I'm going to put
the almond milk.
I'm gonna put like a cup and a half of almond milk. There. I don't want it, that's a cup. And I'm gonna put a half a cup more. Alright, almond milk. And I'm gonna pour in my malta. This is alcohol free, so I'm using a malta today. And I'm gonna put in a banana.
And see, she didn't even cut it up. She just broke it off. You know, bananas are easy.
I'm gonna put a tablespoon of vanilla. And this is
the nutmeg and cinnamon.
So here I'm gonna open my milk.
And guys, like, as far as the condensed milk, you're gonna sweeten to your taste.
Yes.
So it's however sweet you like it. That was like what, a half a can, Mom, or
less than a half a can.
Okay. To the blender. She's about to blend it up right now.
Okay, there you have it, guys. Peanut punch. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. It really helps the algorithm. And give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you. God bless.